Hi there, students. A mélange, a mélange. Okay, this is a countable noun. This word means a mixture of different things, normally all mixed up together, blended, joined together. So the taste was a mélange of traditional European cooking and Oriental. Yeah, a mixture of different things. Yeah, a group of different things all together. The essay was a melange of different ideas. I guess a fruit salad you could call a melange of tropical fruits, for example. Okay, so it's just a word for a mixture of different things. Yeah, different things mixed together. I guess a stew is a melange of vegetables and spices. Yeah, it's things blended together, joined together. The city is a mixture of different architectural styles, a melange of different styles. I think very often they use this word a melange to make something sound more attractive. Yeah. His music is a melange of punk and heavy rock. Yeah, so it's a mixture, a jumble, an assortment. I think very often a melange, it gives the idea of mixing things that are really quite different. Most big modern cities are a melange of different cultures. Yeah, they are mixed together, a jumble, an assortment. Yeah, different things mixed together. This is quite an easy word to use. Let's see. Yeah, various different things all together. An assortment, a miscellany, a mixed bag, a farrago, a gallimaufry, a hodgepodge, a mishmash. Yeah, various different things jumbled together. A medley. Yeah. So, yeah. The party was a melange of a kids' party and a fancy dress party. So they're just two different things joined together. But I think a melange probably more commonly is various different things. So I guess you could say the English language is based on Germanic and Latin with words from a melange of other countries, a wide mixture from different parts, from different places. Okay, so melange. Yeah, this sounds rather posh and rather formal. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Informally, just use the word mixture, a mixture, an assortment, something like that. In a semi-formal conversation, yes, you sound a bit posh, but it works okay. It's a bit literary as well. Semi-formal writing, definitely. Formal writing, very definitely as well. And then as to origin, well, this is exactly the same as the French word mélanger, to mix up, yeah, or mêler, which itself comes from Latin misceo, to mix up. Okay, so a mélange, yeah, a mixture of different things. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mélange.